Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Negative number 3 I can put into positive number 1 minus number 4. This one I want to create about identities. That's why we need to have positive number 1. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 1 equals to number 2 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change by tan t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0, so we have dx. This one we have number 2 secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. Dx we change by this one. This one we have 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. This one we have tan t square. So this one we have 2 tan t. And now we need to simplify, and we have dt over number 2. The integration of dt, we have t over 2, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by number 2. And now we have t equal to arcsecant of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.